Have you ever watched someone act like they're above the law and then face instant karma? In today's video, we'll see 3 Karens who thought they could outsmart the police, only to get what they deserve. Let's dive into these dramatic moments. Officer Chaston from the Milford Police Department initiated a traffic stop after noticing suspicious behavior from a 19-year-old driver looping around a cinema parking lot. Adding to the suspicion, the tags on her vehicle had expired. When the officer approached her, the driver appeared agitated but claimed she was fine and knew how to get home. Despite being asked several times to keep her car in park, the driver was anxious, ignoring instructions and moving erratically.
Nope. Hello? Hello. Can you roll up the window, please, for the dog?
Yeah.
Where you going?
I'm headed on my way home.
Alright, my name's Officer Chastain with Milford Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is you've been driving loops around Cinemark, which is very weird, but you got an expired tag and you got onto River's Edge Drive, okay?
Oh.
Alright. If you will, do me a favor, keep the vehicle, park it, shut it off for me for a minute.
I was just driving off because I was trying to get the directions to go home.
Do you know how many loops you did?
Yeah, 3.
3? Okay. Are you under the influence of anything right now?
No.
No alcohol, no tobacco, no drugs, nothing like that?
No.
Keep that window up, please, for me.
I'm good. I got the directions to go home now.
Okay, well, they're not good. Keep it in park.
I got the directions to go home, so I'm good,
No, I need you to just take your hand off of that.
Sure, I've got the directions to go home. I'm good now.
No, you're not going anywhere.
I've got
I need
my
you to
mom
step
on
out of the
the phone to
vehicle.
get the directions to go home.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I'm good now.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I'm good, sir! Destiny!
4811, start me
Why
another
is he
unit.
grabbing me? Destiny!
Nope.
Fucking help me, Destiny! Why are you grabbing me?
You're not driving.
Why are you grabbing me? Why are you grabbing me?
Not driving.
Why are you grabbing me? You're just a cop! You're not safe! You're not safe! What do you think you are? Did you just in front of my dog? What the do you think you are? What the do you think you are, sir? What the do you think you are to do this? What the do you think you are? What the
I just want.
do you think you are, sir? What the do you think you are, sir? What the do you think you are, sir? It's me right now. I'm literally
As the officer's requests were ignored, the situation quickly escalated. The driver refused to cooperate when they tried to remove her from the car, leading to a confrontation. She physically resisted the officer's attempts to take control, shouting at them, cursing, and insisting that they were harming her. The more they tried to de-escalate, the more combative she became, shouting insults and accusations, including inappropriate personal remarks about the officers.
What the
Hello. That's fine.
What the help me! They won't get off of me!
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Hey, I'm just helping with the dog if you can.
Fucking get off of me! Fucking get off of me! Fucking get the off of me! Off of me!
4811.
I can't breathe! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Put your hands on your back.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Yeah, I
I
got it.
can't breathe! Please help me!
What is
Get off of me!
Hold still. I mean, nobody's gonna hurt you.
Get off of me!
Nobody's gonna hurt.
Oh, he's hurting me right now! He's hurting me right now!
Nobody's hurting
He's hurting
you.
me right now!
Nobody.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You
I
will.
appreciate that.
Off of me! Get the off of me! What the I hate men!
4811.
You're saying
I got one
he's
to
not
say.
hurting me. Look at me right now. This is okay.
Hey,
Fuck you, sir.
what is going on?
4025 clear.
Why the are you hurting me right now?
What is going on?
Why are you hurting me? Why won't you get off and let me stand up?
I'm going to.
Get off and let me stand up.
Listen, you need to calm down.
Let me stand up.
You're gonna
I'm
sit.
not gonna hurt you. Just let me
You're
stand
gonna
up.
sit. You're gonna sit.
Just let me stand the up. Grab my arms and let me stand up.
I got it.
All right.
Why the are you hurting me right
Just
now?
relax.
Uncuff it.
Ma'am?
Uncuff it. You big motherfuckers. I'm done with motherfuckers.
Are we done with patients?
I'm done with you guys. I'm done.
Grab me.
Do not grab me.
You are not going to be seen by medical staff now.
I'm afraid. Get away from me!
Will you get up?
I want to see my mother.
Get up.
You asshole! Look how he's treating me! Look how he's
Stand
grabbing
up.
me!
Stand up.
This shit hurts! Put me in the
Stand up.
ambulance! Get me away from him, man! Ow!
Stand up.
Please, man, please! Please, man, please! Please, man, please! Don't let him drive me back to this car! Please, man! Get me the f*** away from you guys! Get the f*** away from you men! I don't want to be next to you! I don't want to be next to you! Please, ma'am!
Things grew even more intense when the driver attempted to bite the officers while they tried to restrain her. Her emotional state was chaotic as she alternated between calling for help, crying, and demanding to see her dog and her mother. Despite attempts by the officers to calm her down, she accused them of choking her, even though the officers tried to explain they were only restraining her for everyone's safety. As the struggle continued, the officers had no choice but to call EMS to ensure she was not physically harmed, though she continued to express deep distrust toward both police and medical staff.
This is wrong that men have been treating me like this my whole life, and these police officers are just gonna abuse me. These police officers are abusing me right now.
You're not helping the situation, okay? You're not helping the situation. I need you to lay back.
They're abusing me, like grabbing me like this. They don't handcuff me so I can lay back. I can't lay back with the handcuffs on my hand. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Please get the off of me.
You have a little cut on your eyebrow, okay? Is that old or new?
From you. It's from you, sir.
I haven't touched you, man.
You too! You abusive piece of shit, man!
Get those leg restraints. They got their own. That'll go onto the clock. They got their own that'll go on the clock.
You! You're just gonna treat me like this, like you're gonna hold me down! You! All of you! The government! All of you! You guys all think that we're all just pieces of shit. You know what? Men are pieces of shit. When you guys die, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. You. What are you guys helping me with right now? What are you guys helping me with? What are you guys helping a girl with? What are you guys helping a girl with, huh? Are you a girl? What are they helping me with, strapping me down like this, huh?
Ultimately, the driver was indicted by a grand jury on 2 felony counts of assault on a police officer and a misdemeanor count of operating a vehicle under the influence, OVI. Her act of trying to bite the officers constituted assault, violating local laws regarding physical resistance toward police. On the evening of September 2nd, 2023, University of Dayton police officers were responding to a grand theft auto call when they were interrupted by shouting from a nearby off-campus house. The voices, believed to be from college students, caught the officers' attention but didn't immediately disrupt their response. Once the call was handled, Sergeants Oldham and Pullen decided to investigate the source of the shouting, hoping to address the disturbance.
Good. Hi. I need your guys' IDs, please. You're going to be issued referrals. Okay. Don't shut the door. Do not shut the door. Get your ID now. Okay. And all your roommates, have them come down here, please.
I don't have the girls who live upstairs.
Get the girl. What do you mean?
That's a different house.
That's not you?
No.
I'm so sorry for bothering you then.
No, it's okay. That's just not us.
How do you get to their house?
It's that door right there.
I am very sorry.
That's okay. I was just like really confused because I've been asleep.
Well, their windows are right above yours, so we assumed it was 22.
No, 22. That's 20. It's 20. I'm 20.
Okay, so they're upstairs.
Yes.
You're downstairs.
Yes.
Good to know. I apologize.
Yeah. I know some girls are out in the back, but it's not me.
Well, thank you. Not
Have a good night.
You too. Sorry about that. No, it's okay. I'm done with
Do you want me to text them?
That'd be great.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'll call them.
All right, thank you.
I can't.
I'm done with tonight. I'm done.
She was like, what the hell?
She's like, okay.
She
She was just getting ready to take her referral from...
I know, poor girl.
There they come.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Need your IDs.
IDs?
Student
can
IDs.
I ask for why?
You're being referred. Student IDs right now.
Can I just ask?
Give me your student ID.
I think I have the right to ask why.
Okay, so now you're going to get another referral for non-compliance.
I'm sorry.
At first, the officers knocked on the wrong house, but with some redirection, they made their way to the correct front door. A 20-year-old female student answered, and Sergeant Pullen asked her to produce her college ID, planning to issue a referral for violating a university rule. As the woman searched for her ID, the sergeants noticed what appeared to be a fake state ID in plain sight. This discovery led them to detain the woman, placing her in handcuffs.
Cool.
I can smell the alcohol on you.
Give me your ID. Give me your ID or turn around and you're under arrest for underage consumption. State ID now. Give me the fake.
This is mine.
The fake ID that we saw that's on
Come on.
camera. You really want to go to jail over a fake ID?
I do not.
Then give it. We have every
I'm not
Want
playing.
me to give it to you in that? I will. If
You want to continue playing dumb?
I'm not doing that, sir.
What's in? Is it this pocket, right? Look.
Sure.
What is that?
You can take that, sir.
That you playing dumb, right?
You know, not that it's any of your business, but do you know what we were doing?
I am. Can I please tell you I was not anybody that was saying anything up there. I respect what you guys do.
No, you don't, because you're standing here lying to us and you're refusing to give your information. So no, none of that. Like I said, everything is on camera, so.
While this was happening, a 20-year-old male student appeared at the door.
Jesus Christ.
No, Vince, go, please. Just shut the door and go.
Bro, you're a fucking loser. Holy
Just go, Vince, go.
All right.
You don't want to make this worse for me, please. Just shut the door and go. Please.
The male left briefly but returned to confront the officers. In an unexpected turn, the male student got into a physical altercation with Sergeant Pullen. During the struggle, Sergeant Oldham sustained a serious injury, a fractured fifth metacarpal bone in her hand that would later require surgery. To regain control of the situation, Sergeant Pullen used pepper spray on the male student.
I actually want to know. What are you
stop.
talking about? I actually want to know what the rights you're talking about. I actually want to know.
This isn't nothing.
It doesn't matter. I want you. What's the rights you're talking about?
Where's your student? You student here?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No, it doesn't matter. What the f*** are you talking about her?
Vince, just
Talk
go.
to me right now.
Go.
I don't care.
If you
that
don't
talking to her.
stop.
Don't talk to her.
Vince,
Stop.
please,
Tell me
you're going to
right
make
now.
it worse. They don't like it. They don't like it. They don't
Tell me
like
right
it.
now what the f***
Vince,
talking
go.
about. Give me a right
Vince,
now.
go.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
Talk.
Oh my God.
Talk right now. Talk. Give me a f***ing right.
Stop.
Get back, man.
Get your ass down on the
Give me your rights. Give me your rights right now.
Scott.
Get your rights right now. Get your back. You fucking abuse your powers right now. I have fucking rights. I know your fucking rights, bro. I know your rights. I know your fucking rights right now. I know your rights. I know your fucking rights, bro.
Oh my God.
I know your fucking rights. I know it. I know it. Put your hands behind your back now. Your fucking rights now.
I got his hand.
Ow.
You got my hand.
Give me your hand right here, buddy. Yep.
You guys are actually abusing her.
You want to assault me, you piece of shit?
No, you. Kill me a piece of shit. Jesus Christ, man.
Back here.
Oh my God.
You good? Come on. We got pepper spray everywhere. Okay, come on.
Jesus Christ. Get the
fuck up.
Pretend like you can't. I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing shit.
We gotta carry
Jesus Christ.
Got a squad coming.
I'm not doing shit. You guys are using power.
We got pepper spray out here. Or decon. I got those wipes.
You are a piece of.
I didn't even do shit.
The female student was later charged with underage drinking. while the male student faced more serious charges. He was indicted on 3 felony counts of assaulting a police officer. Both students will have their day in court, and they remain innocent until proven guilty. On September 10, 2024, officers in Davenport, Iowa, were called to help nurses at a local hospital with an intoxicated woman. She had been brought to the hospital for medical clearance before being taken to jail. The woman was visibly upset and uncooperative, refusing to follow the officer's instructions. Despite several warnings, she insisted that she wouldn't listen to anyone while intoxicated.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that shit!
Don't yell in my face.
I'm yelling at you! I'm not doing that shit when I'm intoxicated!
Please sit down. Please sit down.
I'm not doing that when I'm intoxicated. You can wait until
Go have
tomorrow.
a seat. Go have a seat.
You can wait until tomorrow.
Go have a seat.
You can wait. I said you wait! I said you wait! I said hey! I'm not doing it!
I got an arm.
I've got that.
She's got my badge.
right.
She's got my badge.
That's right. I'm good. You guys can help. Come on. Come on.
The officers and nurses tried to calm her down, asking her to sit and relax. However, instead of cooperating, the woman became more agitated. She refused to sit, ignored the officers' requests, and continued to resist their attempts to help her. As the situation escalated, it became clear that she was not willing to comply.
See you later.
Thank you.
Come on up. 1, 2, 3. Do we have another room for her that can be confined?
There's 2 clean, 4 clean. Yeah, they're both clean.
Alice, you ready? It's time to go. Can you sit up? Right, I'm gonna walk you to the squad car, okay? You go take a seat for me. Thank you.
What began as a simple misdemeanor turned into a more serious offense. The woman was originally being processed for public intoxication and having an open container of alcohol. However, by physically assaulting the officers, she violated Iowa Law 708.3a, which makes it illegal to assault people in certain occupations, such as police officers or healthcare workers. As a result, she was charged with assault on persons in certain occupations, in addition to her other charges, and was taken to the Davenport jail. As you've seen, when Karens believe the rules don't apply to them, reality comes crashing down hard, especially when the police are involved. These situations are a perfect reminder that no matter how entitled someone might feel, the law is there to hold everyone accountable. If you enjoyed watching these Karens face the consequences of their actions, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wild moments caught on camera.